morning, my dear students. How are you all? This is your English teacher from Applewood School. So, today our lecture will be about Unit number 1, Summers in Muddy. In our previous lecture, we have read about the personal writing of Imran Khan, how he spent his childhood, how he is recalling his memories about childhood when he was at Murray, and he spent there a joyful life, and he was very happy with the pleasant weather of Murray. He just escaped from the hot weather of Lahore. So the, his parents take them all to Murray, Ghora Gali, and towards Murray, which is 45 kilometers above Islamabad. And we have read about the reading for understanding questions, and we have done this in the classwork previously. Now let's go to our today's diary. Reading of page number 10. Classwork will be question answers on the notebook, and your home task will be reading of page number 10 again. This is a poetry. Now let's start with our today's classwork. Today we have to do the remaining question of Summers in Murray. Remaining question answers are: question number 1. How does the climate in the hills compare with that in the plains? The climate in the hills is pleasant, cooler, brighter and crystal clear than in the plains. In the plains the weather is so hot and dry and dusty. I'm just explaining this to you for your convenience, for your understanding. Question number 2. In the second paragraph, which clause tells you that the writer wants other people to appreciate the place as well as himself? In the second paragraph, which clause tells you that the writer wants the other people to appreciate the place as well as himself? In this clause, but it remains a magical spot despite losing some of its trees and the resulting landslides. I only hope that the future generation will be able to enjoy it as I did. Other people the writer wants to appreciate the place as well as himself. In this clause, writer was recalling his memories and he wants the other generation to enjoy these kind of places like him. Now the third question is, in the third paragraph, which words tells you the effect of the killing of the panther on the people? In the third paragraph, the word commotion means disturbance. As I have told you, commotion means disturbance in the mind when your mind is stuck to something and it's disturbing you continuously. In the third paragraph, the word commotion tells us the effect of the killing of the panther on the people, on the mind of the people remains the same throughout the line. It's stuck in your mind. In the third paragraph, which word tells you the writer was pleased that the panther escaped death? In the third paragraph, the word excitement tells us that the writer was pleased that the panther escaped death. The word excitement tells us that the writer was pleased about the panther's death. Escaped death. Which phrase in the final paragraph tells you that the writer was sorry that the panther in Islamabad was shot dead? In the final paragraph, the phrase pumped into the unfortunate animal. There was 40 bullets that was pumped into the unfortunate animal. That tells us that the writer was sorry that the panther in Islamabad was shot dead. How did the police action in Islamabad affect the incident in Chitral? How did the police action in Islamabad affect the incident in Chitral? The police action was widely condemned, and it affects the incident in Chitral when a snow leopard walked into someone's house way up in Chitral. An expert was called from Karachi to dart the leopard with the sedative before letting it back into the wild. Sedative as I have told you. Sedative, the drug which causes sleepiness. Dart, dart means to hit somebody. I am again repeating this question for you. How did the police in Chitral? The police action was widely condemned and it affects the incident in Chitral. When a snow leopard walked into someone's house way up in Chitral, an expert was called from Karachi to dart the leopard with a sedative before letting it back into the wild. What is the consequence of the deforestation? What do you think are some of its causes? Murray is in the foothills of the Himalayas. That is now being threatened by deforestation. Landslides are the consequence of deforestation. There are many causes of deforestation to obtain fire and construction. Wood deforestation is done. There are many causes of deforestation to obtain fire and construction. Wood deforestation is done. Deforestation is done for the purpose of cultivation and housing. Deforestation is done for the purpose of cultivation and housing. So this is your classwork for today. You have to write it down in your notebook by drawing the margin lines, putting your proper date, mention your chapter name, page number 9, and then start your remaining questions reading for details. Now we have to discuss something about a poetry of page number 10. Across the Indus. This poetry is about Across the Indus. This poem, Across the Indus, expresses the feelings similar to Imran Khan's Summer in Murray. You have to read it as your home task. Then I will explain you in the next lecture that what is this poem about, how we can refer it to the positive things of life and with the bad things of life, with the negative effects of life, how the purity affects you and how the dirt affects you. This poem is just about the purity and the dirt, and it's a distinguishness between the two things, negative apparel of life and the positive apparel of life. So everybody, this is it for today. You have to write down your remaining questions on your notebook in a proper pattern, and reading of poetry page number 10 is your home task. So take care, have a good day.